All right, so you are ready to start getting into radioactive decay, and in order to do that, you are going to watch several educannons, read a website, read an article, and then do a lab. And so it's a lot of information to digest. So this is a good opportunity for us to learn how to keep Cornell Notes, which is why I put this assignment right above radioactive decay. So in order to get started, obviously, just like any other assignment, we're going to open it. And let's go ahead and open up the Cornell Notes and see what they look like. If you've never seen it before, Cornell Notes usually have a column where you write the main ideas, and then for each main idea, you write some details about it. And I'll show you an example of that in just a second. Then, once you've captured the main ideas and supporting details for each of those main ideas, you can go ahead and complete a summary, which is where you restate what those main ideas were. What I should have mentioned at the beginning is that you want to write your topic at the top. In this case, let's just go ahead and give it the topic radioactive decay. And let me show you how you're going to use this. But really the goal in mind is that when you're done learning about radioactive decay, you'll be able to go back and look at your notes, and what it does is it takes this huge mountain of information and organizes it in a way that makes sense, and you can access it easily. For instance, when you take the test. And I'll tell you now in this video, you can use these Cornell Notes when you take the test at the end of the unit, which will be very helpful. All right, so let me show you how this works. I'm going to move this up a little bit so that you can see that I have my other tab with my classroom open. So I'm going to keep my Cornell Notes open. I'm going to go back to my classroom. Okay, I'm going to go back to the assignment stream, scroll down to radioactive decay. So now I'm ready to start looking through this material, and I still have my notes open so I can go back there when I start to learn some of this new material. So let's go ahead and pull up this first one. And we can watch How Old is the Earth? So I'm going to start playing it.
Exactly how old was the Earth? The question persisted until
That's your
1907,
paper.
when American chemist Bertram Boltwood discovered a way to make the rocks and minerals of the Earth provide an answer. Scientists already knew that rocks contained naturally occurring radioactive elements, such as uranium.
So okay, so just to give an example, I could stop it there, and I could write all rocks contain radioactive elements, right? Now that's the main idea. I might be able to find some details as I watch it. I already kind of know a detail, so I could add it. Not all radioactive elements are the same. Okay. So that's kind of the idea here with Cornell Notes, is that as I'm learning major ideas, I'm writing them down here, and then I'm writing down supporting details that basically give more information on what I'm learning. So what I want you to do is to use these Cornell Notes as you move through each of these educannons, okay? The more complete this is at the end of those, the easier it's going to be to do the lab, the easier it's going to be to do the test, and this is a strategy that you can use in classes in the future, whether you go on to college or not. Definitely be valuable in high school. I used it in college. Hopefully this will be an opportunity for you to explore this note-taking technique. Cornell Notes, use it for the radioactive decay information. All right, good luck. Ask questions, and we'll make the most of this opportunity to learn a lot of information and organize it nicely in our Cornell Notes. Good luck.